Alright, this is how you put on a tire, alright? So, lug nut. You do a cross pattern. Do it by hand all the way. Okay? And you do a cross pattern. Every lug nut has to be by hand all the way until it stops. Don't get lazy. Don't get an impact, because you will cross thread the studs. Then you got a whole other shitload of problems. Alright? Take your time. Do it this way. All the way. Now I use a Ridgid 18 volt automatic setting impact driver. Impact wrench, I apologize. Very powerful. I use a 19 millimeter snap-on socket. It's on automatic. It'll stop on its own. Then you go opposite. You can get it in. All right. This one's a bit more convenient. Then I put it on setting 2 and go all out. Cross thread again. Cross pattern. We're done.